Hey everybody, real quick here, just a quick sneak peek. We'll call this part 2.5. This is the handle. I've got to sand it down. I did run into a void from where I had to carve it out, and then there's a void on those back spaces. I'm going to fill those with some epoxy, but hopefully the camera catches this. You can see why I love this wood. I mean, look at that. We'll wipe down this other side here. There it is, dry. Now it's kind of hard to see because the glare. Maybe I can dry some of that off a little bit. There you go. We can focus a little bit better here. I just love this striping down here. Looks very cool. And this side, the striping runs all the way up. Still not finished, but this is just a sneak peek of what it may potentially look like. I don't know if I'm going to leave. I think I'll just leave it natural. I don't think I want to stain it. I am going to fill these voids with some epoxy and sand them smooth. But all in all, this will represent what the wood looks like. And I think that's a good representation. So there you go. Until I see y'all again, have a beautiful day.